This is without the light. This is with it. I was able to get a free one as well.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know.
Hey y'all, what's goody, what's poppin'? Welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you are new, please hit that like button, that subscribe button, that bell notification button, because y'all are in the tribe now. If y'all already made it to this, I think we at like 15 seconds, you in the family. So today's video is gonna be super easy, not long at all. I think this package is something that I ordered from Amazon, I think. So let me just tell you the backstory real quick. I had ordered this poppin' dope light from Amazon. It was super, super dope. Sidebar, if any companies ever offer you any warranties, get the warranty because you just never know what could happen. That ended up being like a defected one. Something was wrong with the light that I had got. So because I had purchased the warranty, which was only like an additional $2.99, I was able to get a free one as well. So yeah, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna unbox it because I didn't get a chance to do that when it first came, when I got the first one, but the light was so lit. I'm gonna show you guys the difference too between how it looks now versus when I actually have the light on. In the name of Jesus, they ain't gonna play me, and it's gonna be a good light, and it's gonna work for more than a day. Amen. Let me open this up real quick. It was so good. I'm like, God, please make it just work and do what it's supposed to do. Cause I have had multiple lights off of Amazon, especially like the selfie lights that you put on the phone or your camera. But this one was by far the brightest one I have found yet. And it's still small and compact and like fit everywhere too. So I'm like, please work. I think too, I'm gonna have to do like an unboxing video with all the products that I've been getting, because I've actually been getting a lot of things sent to me. Y'all know that I'm vegan, so I've been looking to work with more brands that really genuinely like showcase my lifestyle outside of music and stuff. Like, I want y'all to see the things that I use daily and every day, and there's been a lot of brands reaching out to your girl now. I'm like, okay, I see you. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do an unboxing video with that too, like all those stuff, because I have so many boxes here that I got to unbox. All right, you guys, so I had to readjust. My camera did something weird, like it be doing sometimes. So I'm gonna make this super quick just in case. But so the light is here. So this is how it comes. It came with some little plastic bubble thing too, that way it keeps it safe, hopefully. In the name of Jesus, like I said, this is a good one. So, or day. If you guys are interested in this light, I am gonna put it in the description box below. It will be in my Amazon store. That's where I got it from. So I'm praying. I'm gonna give a follow-up thing too, because I definitely will be letting y'all know if this light makes it past a day, a week, a month. So yeah, so this is how the lighting looks without the lights. Hopefully this is like a little bit charged up so you guys can see. So this is how the light comes. It comes with these assembled pieces as well. It looks like this. So this kind of, oh, and it also comes with a charger, of course. So it kind of just goes like, okay, the assembled piece is already in there, I think. So this goes in like this, boom. And then the on switch is right here. So let's see if it works. Ooh, okay, it's on. She's on. We're back. And look, y'all can see it goes super bright. Super. Look at the difference. Y'all see the difference is crazy. Matter of fact, we're gonna use her right now. Boom. So there y'all can see the difference in how the lighting went from like without the light versus with the light. So I think it's worth a buy. Like I said, I'm going to do like a follow-up video just to make sure that the light does last more than a day. But I think we're gonna be good this time. My spirit is feeling it. It's feeling like it's gonna work. So yeah, if this light does what it's supposed to do, and I'm having faith and hope that it does, we're gonna give it a 10 out of 10 because this is so easy to just have in my purse, put on my camera, put on my phone when I'm outside and I just want my lighting to be good. It is so bright. And I think it also, it may even go brighter. Hold on, y'all. Let's see. Look how, y'all see how bright I look and radiant? Okay, it's so bright, I can't even see that. So yeah, look again, y'all. This is the without the light. This is with it. I think there's also like a yellow thing too. So I think it also goes to like a yellow warmer shade as well. Ooh, it does. Okay. Does that go brighter is the question. So that's the brightest it goes with the yellow warmer setting. Let's see how that looks. Boom, that's still really pretty. I think that for the type of look that I like that more brighter feel. I feel like it just opens up the room a lot more. It makes the skin look better and all that good stuff. So I think that will be the lighting that I go for typically. Let's switch back. Boom. Yeah, that feels better in my soul. And I wanted to say also, if you guys have not checked out my makeup video on how I usually do my makeup every day, make sure you check that out. I meant to say in that video, lighting has so much to do with how your photos turn out, how your videos turn out. I know that sometimes in a weird lighting, you could see the bags underneath my eyes. In a weird angle, you could see the bags underneath my eyes. You could see the things that really like pop out. I guess your kind of like flaws or whatever. I love them, I don't mind. But I meant to say that too. When people have really, really great lighting, it kind of airbrushes everything out really that you would see. So lighting does matter. So if y'all are interested in buying more lights, or you just want something easy to take with you to like brighten up your skin, brighten up your photos and stuff like that, and just make your things, I guess, a little bit more aesthetically pleasing, copy you some lighting. Like, it's okay, it's all right. And it also does, like, when y'all go out to the clubs and stuff, you ever see people's videos that they post in their stories or whatever, and sometimes they look like when they put a filter on, it's all blurry and stuff. It's because your lighting is not right either. If you have a good light on top of that phone in a club, it's gonna add a difference. You're not gonna look like a blur blob. Y'all know what I mean, y'all know. So yeah, like I said, this video is gonna be super quick. Love you guys so much. I will do a follow-up video, I promise, just to make sure that this light is worth buying. But right now, I'm giving it a strong 10 out of 10 because it's doing what it's supposed to do. Okay? So I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I got to take my butt to the studio and write these songs and do what I gotta do. Oh, that's what I can do too. I can definitely post the difference in how my videos and stuff look within the studio as well, because it made my footage look so much brighter, so much crisper, so much sharper. So good lighting really does do a lot. So don't second guess it. If you are a content creator, if you are a girly that just want to improve her photos and selfies, whatever it's for, get it. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you. Have a good one. Bye.
Hey y'all, okay, so sidebar, I think it's been the TikTok girlies and the people that have been telling people about this light, because the price definitely went up. It was originally $20 and it definitely went up to about $37. Still, do I think it's worth it? Absolutely. I've had the light now for about 2.5 weeks. I've had no issues with it whatsoever. It holds a charge, it does well, it's still super bright, and I love it, and it fits in every purse that I have. So definitely get it. Don't second guess it. Add it to your cart. Go get that right now, sis. Bye.